Okay, hi everybody. Today is December the 5th, and here you see the firewood pile that I have split over about 2 days. Quite a bit of wood that has been split by hand, and now this pile of wood will have to be stacked, put in the woodshed to dry out over the next year before being used for next winter's firewood. Here you see the chopping block that I use. I have used a combination of a chopping block and the rubber tire method of holding the firewood together while I chop it. And here I want to show you, this is what a healthy piece of wood looks like. You see the bark. If you look at the inside of it, here's a knot. These knots make it very hard to split the wood. Here's another knot, and this knot would actually go in through the wood, makes the wood very strong, very difficult to split. If you look at it from edge to edge, that's just the clean, bright color of the wood. Here's another piece of wood. This one, I hope you can see it in the video. It has beautiful light and dark colors. And some people will plane this and stain it, and it makes a beautiful wood grain. Now over here on the right, we have something different. Just like the first piece of wood, you have the bark on the outside here. But when you look on the inside, the edges of the wood are stained a darker color. This color looks like a dark blue denim color that rings around the outside of the wood. Here's another piece that has that beautiful natural wood grain stain to it with the darker denim blue ring on the outside. If you look at it from the top, you can see, if this was a whole log, you can see very prominently that darker sort of navy blue stain on the outside of the ring. This coloration is caused by the pine beetle infestation. These beetles come in and they eat the trees and they lay eggs in the trees, and this effectively kills the trees. And the trees then die in a standing position, and when you have a windstorm, the tree will fall over because it is no longer alive. So the wood here we recovered from the tree that fell across our access road yesterday. I've chopped it up and you can see what that looks like. So here are stained by the pine beetle, stained by the pine beetle, and a normal healthy tree.